Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today I want to review this box of M2 machines, and I received this box last week. As you can see, it's the Automods series, and there you have the case code. I already pre-opened the box, as you can see, so I know what's in there. So let's have a look. There you have the box inside, and there you have the models. So let's take them out carefully. So turn it around, and there you have your Automods series. Let's have a look. And as you can see, gold rims, so that's a chase. Let's have a look at all the other ones first. This is the first one, and it's Nissan Skyline Gtr from 1971. These are limited to 7,000 pieces worldwide, 7,000. And I think this is a very nice version from this Skyline with the koi carps, the koi fish on the side. Very nice. Let's have a look at the back of the car. And at the front. And the top. So that's a very nice edition. Next one. Well, all the same amount, 7,000 pieces. And this is the GMC Sierra Grande 15 from 1976. With Excel livery, and I do like this one also with this livery. It's a nice GMC. There's the back. There's your front. There's the top. Nice piece. Next one. Let's go to the chase. And there you have your chase of this case. And that's 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona HEMI, and it's limited to 750 pieces. And this is a very nice one. I'm very happy that I got a chase of this one. Let's have a look at the front of the car. That's not many, 750 pieces. Nice rims. And there you have your backside with gold trim. Very nice. Great addition. Okay, that's the chase. Let's have a look at the next one. And that's a Plymouth Cuda from 1971, as you can see. Purple pinkish color. There's your front. And your back side. And the top of the car. Also quite a nice piece, this one. Okay, next one. And there's your Volkswagen Beetle Deluxe U.S.A. model. Front of the car. And the engine in the back, nice detail. I do like my Volkswagen bugs. They're great to collect. There's the top of the car. And the next one, the last one, last but not least. And there you have your Ford Mustang GT from 1968. Also in a very nice livery. This is also a very nice piece. Great livery. There's the front. There's your typical back from Mustang with the 3 lights on both sides. And there you have the top. This is also a very nice piece. So that's the unboxing from the M2 Automods series. I do have the earlier release. They don't make so many of them, but I do like these very much. So that's my review. Thank you for watching and hope to see you at the next time. Bye!